Final thoughts. And there you have it, folks, as we hurtle forward at warp speed into a future powered by technology. These are the trends that are reshaping the logistics and supply chain industry. Beneath all that cardboard and packing peanuts, we're seeing game-changing innovations in delivery, an increasing commitment to sustainability, the indomitable rise of blockchain, the relentless growth of e-commerce, the untapped potential of data analytics, and new levels of collaboration. What a time to be alive in the world of logistics. Thank you ever so much for spending your precious time with us on this riveting journey through the world of logistics and supply chain. Your curiosity fuels our enthusiasm to delve deeper into the realm of this fascinating industry. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.